Okay, this is a video tutorial for how to tie the bow on my Knotty Witch hat. That's K-N-O-T. Obviously not, because you knot the bow, haha. Very punny, very punny. There's a white version, so it's easier to see, but still pictures and words are hard to explain how to tie the bow, so I just thought I'd make a quick video to show you how to do it in person. If you want the pattern, check my page for the link, or you can leave a comment and I'll send you the pattern link. Either way, start with your bow ribbon. I made 7 single crochets across. About 40 to 45 inches works. A little bit longer is good because you can have more room to adjust the tails and all that. Find the center, and this is Bernat baby blanket yarn. Just for reference, you can use doubled up velvet, which I did in those other two. This is Mainstays velvet, or velvety yarn found at Walmart, just 2 pieces together with a 9mm hook. Same thing here, 9mm hook, just 1 piece, because it's thick. Anyway, find the center of your ribbon. What you're going to do is take your right hand behind the ribbon, close to the middle. Use your left hand, hold it here. Use your left hand to go up underneath, and you're going to kind of fold this guy. The piece in the right is going to be the center of your knot, like the part that goes down the middle of the bow, and the piece coming across the left is going to be the left loop of the bow. So you got this guy, you got this guy, you got your knot in the middle-ish. I'll do it again. This is your middle-ish. What you could also do is just fold, hold this here, fold a loop underneath, bring that up, and then stick your hand through. That works too. Kind of get this loop to be a little smaller, and hold that here, kind of pin it down. What you're going to do here is bring your left side, you're going to fold it up, and this piece is going to be the right side loop of the bow. It's going to go in the hole where your little fingers are sticking through. So pull that through while you're holding this down so it doesn't fall out. Kind of pull that through, and it's going to look ugly at first, but trust the process. Kind of grab both pieces and just pull it tight, because that's going to cinch this, and then play with it, pull the loops back out by pulling on the tails of the bow. Kind of do that. It's not as slippery as the velvet, so it kind of is a little harder to get it to cooperate, but just keep fixing it until you like it. Tie it tighter. You can be rough. Pull it. Pull it. Fix it. And then fix, once you have the loops about even-ish or where you want them, fix the center. And for some reason, I think this, which looks like the front now, looks better as the back usually. So make a flat knot in the middle, flip it over, make sure this guy is flattened and even. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Straighten these out, pull it a little bit more, keep adjusting it. But anyway, that's how you do the bow. When you sew the bow onto the hat, you can just use whichever side, pick which one you have at the front, and then sew through the back of the inside of the hat to attach it to here. And I do recommend, if you are going to be giving this to a baby as a gift, since it is a long bow, do a couple stitches through the entire knot. That way it can't become untied and become some potential choking hazard. But other than that, that's how you draw, or you make the bow. And again, if you want the pattern, just go to my page or comment to get this adorable hat. Super cute. It's got the band. Made with blanket yarn. You can do all blanket yarn if you don't want velvet, or you don't like velvet, or you don't have the velvet. My orange and black version, this was the first one I made. The hat itself, minus the bow, works up in about 45 minutes. So about this is the hardest part. Probably have a hat done in an hour and a half, less than 2 hours for most people. But have fun.